on going, that's where you'll find Dappledown. The meadow is sweet, the duck pond is clean, the stable's warm and the grass is green. Miles from town, that's where you'll find Dappledown. You'll come to no harm on Dappledown Farm. Dappledown's waiting for you. So come and join us, everyone's here. Down on Dappledown, down on Dappledown, down on Dappledown Farm.
Oh. Hello.
It was spring on Dappledown Farm, and the mice had decided to clean out their nests.
Hurry up, Stubble. I want everything in front of me before I decide to throw anything out.
Right, Sid. I'm not getting any more of your rubbish for you anymore.
This isn't rubbish, Stubble.
Huh.
There might be something really valuable in this lot.
I don't think so.
Well, I'm not throwing anything away until we've been through all of it.
Oh.
Hey, Stubble, do you remember when we made these?
No. What are they?
Well, this is a tambourine.
Yeah?
And this is a pasta shaker.
Oh, yeah.
One man went to mow.
Went to mow a meadow. One man, two men, three men, and his dog. To mow a meadow.
Morning! Where is that terrible noise coming from? It's terrible!
I think it's wonderful, Dapple. I was just about to join in with my triangle.
But Mabel!
Oh, stop your shouting, Dapple. Take your earmuffs off.
What?
I said take your earmuffs off.
Oh! OK!
Oh, dear.
Oh, goodness! Oh. How could you join in with such a racket? It's terrible.
No more terrible than when you and I have our little singer-songs.
Oh.
Anyway, it doesn't really matter what you sound like, as long as you're having a super time.
Well, I don't think so, because I've got a headache, and I wish everyone would be quiet. Thank you. Now, where's Brian? He's never around when you need him. Soon put an end to all this coming and going with a noise. Brian! Brian, where are you?
It's all right, Dapple. I'm right here. What's the problem?
The problem is this terrible racket coming and going.
Well, I think it's lovely, Dapple. Seems to me you got out of the wrong side of the stable this morning.
Well, actually, Brian, I didn't sleep very well. I dreamt that Mabel was chasing me around the farmyard. More of a nightmare than a dream.
Well, maybe a little sing-song would cheer you up. Let me think. Yes, I know. Oh, one man went to mow a meadow. One man and his dog went to mow a meadow.
Hey? Well, if you say so, take your word for it. One man went to mow a meadow. One man and his dog went to mow a meadow.
The music from the farmyard had started to echo down to the duck pond.
Can you hear that? What? That low rumble.
Ooh, I can hear something. I think it's coming from the farmyard.
Oh, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about that low rumble.
Now that you've mentioned it, I can hear something.
Oh, yes. It sounds like thunder.
That's not thunder, silly. That's the Dappledown Farm rumbling monster.
Oh, do you really think so?
I know so.
Well, I think we should find this monster and sort him out.
Oh, I don't think so. I think we should sing a song. Take our minds off the problem.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Oh dear, you're too late, Columbus. You're supposed to cock-a-doodle-doo at daybreak, and it's way past that now.
Cock-a-doodle. Ah, count 'em, count 'em.
Oh, Brian, will you help Columbus count, please?
Count 'em. Count 'em.
Come on then, everyone. Let's count them. Columbus the cockerel can count up to 5. Pigeons or carrots or bees in a hive.
Count 'em. Count 'em.
That's just what we're going to do. Apples or elephants, he'll count just the same. Whatever he's counting, why not join in his game? Today, Columbus is counting musical instruments. There's a drum. That's 1. A penny whistle. That's 2. A tambourine. That's 3. A shaker. That's 4. And a triangle. That's 5.
Count 'em. Count 'em.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apples or elephants, he'll count just the same. Whatever he counts, why not join in his game?
Count 'em. Count 'em.
Oh, wonderful. Enough for a whole band of music.
Oh, I'm beginning to feel a lot better now. I think a sing-song was just what I needed to cheer me up.
Oh, I am pleased to hear it, Dapple.
Is everybody ready now?
Yes.
All together. 1, 2, 3. One man went to mow a meadow. One man and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. 2 men went to mow a meadow. 2 men and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. 3 men went to mow a meadow. 3 men and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. 4 men went to mow a meadow. 4 men and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. 5 men went to mow a meadow. 5 men and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. Sorry, Mabel. I just don't think your singing is up to it. Perhaps you should just concentrate on playing the triangle from now on. Yeah.
Well, if that's how you feel.
You think I've upset her? Mabel, come back. I didn't mean it, Mabel. I've got another song for you to sing. You're in it.
Oh, it's all right then, Dapple. I forgive you. Come on, everybody. Let's have another sing-song.
Dapple, dapple, dee, dee, dapple, dapple, doo. Dapple, dapple, dee, dee, cock-a-doodle-doo. Ba, ba, yap, yap, moo, moo, neigh. Woof, woof, squeak, squeak, grunt, grunt, bray. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Oh, dapple, dapple, dee, dee, dapple, dapple, doo. Dapple, dapple, dee, dee, cock-a-doodle-doo. Mabel the cow, and Stubble and Straw, Samantha the sheep, and plenty, plenty more. Come on, sing along. Oh, dapple, dapple, dee, dee, dapple-dapple-doo. Dapple, dapple, dee, dee, cock-a-doodle-doo. There's Columbus the cockerel and Dapple the horse. Oh, lots of insects and a dog, of course. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, dapple, dapple, dee, dee, dapple, dapple, doo. Dapple, dapple, dee, dee, cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle-doo. Meanwhile, back at the duck pond, they're still trying to find that monster.
Oh, it's no good, Colin. This humming noise is driving me mad, and so is Millie.
Yeah, Millie! Please be quiet. We're trying to find out where this humming noise is coming from.
Yes.
Little star. I don't care. I can't hear it anymore. How
That's
I
not the
wonder
point.
what you are. All right, keep your feathers on.
It's coming from over here.
I don't want to know. It's the Dappledown Farm monster, and if I can't sing, I'm moving out.
Harry the Heron, what are you doing?
I was just having a little sleep, and I couldn't help humming along.
Oh.
What? So you're the Dappledown Farm monster?
A monster? I don't think so. Just a heron after a peaceful life.
Oh, thank goodness for that. Now we can all relax and have some tea.
Oh, yeah. Hey, got any biscuits, Lucky?
Oh, yes, Colin. Do you want a nibble?
Peaceful life?
I'll have a French fancy.
Ooh.
You're going to have to throw something away, Straw.
Actually, Stubble, I've decided that I can't throw anything away.
Can't throw anything away? Well, you can carry it back to your own nest then. I didn't bring it all up here for you to play with and then decide that you can't throw any of it away.
Oh, well. Well. Be like that then. You're not playing with anything.
Right, that's my nose bag finished. I think it's time for another sing-song. Those mice make a racket, don't they? One man went to mow a meadow. One man and his dog, woof woof, went to mow a meadow. Two men went to mow, went to mow a meadow. Two men and his dog, woof woof. What?
Actually, I've been thinking, and I think we've had quite enough singing for one day.
Oh, really, Mabel?
Yes.
Oh. What would you like to do now, then?
Well, I've been thinking about that too, and actually what I'd really like to do is chase you round the meadow.
What? Oh, Brian, my nightmare's coming true. I need help.
I'm coming,
oh, quick. Brian!
Don't worry, Dapple. I'm on my way back. I'll sort it out. Bye. See you later.